Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta in a rice cooker. This method is surprisingly simple and yields perfectly cooked pasta every time. First, gather your ingredients, your favorite pasta, water, and a pinch of salt. Make sure your rice cooker is clean and ready to go. We'll start by adding the right amount of water to ensure your pasta cooks beautifully without sticking. Getting the water-to-pasta ratio right is crucial for success. For most pasta types, a 1-to-1 ratio of pasta to water by volume works best. For example, if you use 2 cups of dry pasta, add 2 cups of water. Don't forget to add about 1 teaspoon of salt for every 2 cups of water to season your pasta from the start. Avoid overfilling your cooker to prevent boilovers. Now let's get cooking. Carefully place your dry pasta and the measured water into the rice cooker pot. Close the lid and select the white rice or cook setting. The cooking time will vary depending on your pasta type and cooker, but it's generally similar to stovetop cooking. Remember to stir the pasta once or twice during the cycle to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Once your rice cooker switches to warm or finishes its cycle, your pasta should be perfectly al dente. Immediately drain any excess water using a colander. Then transfer the hot pasta back to the pot or a serving dish. This is the perfect moment to add your favorite sauce, whether it's a simple marinara or a creamy Alfredo. Stir it all together and serve your delicious, easy-to-make pasta right away. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.